Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purure. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Actually, म्हाका एक खूब खुशी जाता की म्हाजो आर्टिकल येयला in the textbooks today, where young children are going to be learning about me. I feel a profound sense of responsibility also, कित्याक ल्हान भुरगीं म्हाजी शिकतेलीं, and I have to be a good role model for these kids today. And I'm only 26, you know, it's not like I'm a very old person as well, but at this age that more kids are going to be learning about me, I feel extremely proud. I'm extremely humble also about this. I mean, ever since I was a kid as well, सगळ्यांक सांगिल्लें की धाकटें आसतना, you know, you have to focus more on academics, you have to focus on just the 3 streams, and I'm sure it's like a lot of pressure on young kids as well to perform well in school and you know, focus on one stream. But my parents have been very supportive. Like my dad was a national champion as well in sports, and you know, my parents have been extremely supportive. तेमनी म्हाका सांगिल्लें from since I was a child ki yes, education is extremely important, but follow your heart, and that is what I did. I also think in today's generation, it is very, very important for parents to be supportive of what a child likes to do. And ह्या generationan पयला आल्यार with AI and everything, what is, I think the next thing is what you can do, what talent you have, and that is how you're going to stand out in a world like today. Just 2 years back at my TED talk, I said, if I can inspire another athlete, or if I can inspire anyone to take on sports, I think that would be my greatest achievement. आणि आयज हांवें पळयलां की टेक्स्टबुकाचेर येयलें हें सगळें, you know, so that for me that is like a next level of accomplishment. Winning medals and winning for my state is a different, like it's a profound, I feel extremely proud, you know, but this achievement is something completely different.